Hey, good morning. Just want to show you guys a couple things. Our crew has been here. They've done a clean out on this crawl space and also this attic. Right here, if you can get a shot of this, they've done some exclusion work. So this is a vent, and what they've done is they've taken some screen and put it over top of an old vent. They've glued it, screwed it, and made it wrap around this pipe so that rodents, mice, and rats can't get into there. So this is an example of rescreening a crawl space vent. And then right here, this is the access to the crawl space. This is a crawl space cover. It's a well cover, and all that does is it keeps people from falling into this opening right here. People and pets, keeps them from falling into this access well. So if we take this cover off, it leads to this door. This door is newly installed by our crew. You've got a handle and some latches. This pops out, 3/4 inch treated plywood, a nice solid door. It's not going to warp or twist or cause any additional struggles down the road. We've put this treated lumber in, we've secured it to the concrete foundation, and then we've also put a 1x2 on the inside so that when this goes back in, it makes a nice solid seal. Rodents will never get inside and keeps everything neat and tidy for years to come. Okay, so we've gone in, we've checked the traps already. We've looked at this crawl space. There are no rodents in there. So the crew has done a good job of removing all the insulation, pulling everything out, doing the exclusion work, doors, screens, small gaps and cracks, and other things like that. I'll show you one more screen. We've got a couple more screens here. This one they had to put on the inside. Had to get that to fit on the inside, so they bend it and fold it, and then they staple it down here along the bottom edges and make sure that that's nice and tight. And here's another one, same sort of thing. They had to use some glue and some staples to get this screen into position. So that's some basic exclusion and a little bit about what the crew does and some of what we do as pest technicians.